Oh, I've just come across this lovely wood carving sculpture. It's like a little drive-through, and they'll have pieces of wood carving scattered throughout. So we'll take a little drive-through and see what we come across. Some of these fence posts here have got carvings on them. How wonderful. And another one. And to me this looks like it's their letterbox. And first to greet you as you come in as well is this giant spider. My goodness. I'm glad they're not like that in real life. Oh, we've got something up in the tree here. Looks like some type of eagle with a couple of little chickies in a nest. So it's all been carved out of this tree trunk here. And there's always a pair of old work boots hanging from some tree somewhere out in the middle of nowhere. Someone's done some hard yards in those boots. Looks like once a jolly swag man there with his trusty old dog and an owl. If you look in the background over here, you can see there's an Indian, there's a few other sculptured pieces there, probably still working on those ones. Wow, you wouldn't want to run into him, would you? In the middle of nowhere. Oh gosh. There's just an abundance of toadstools just there. If you've got a good eye, you might even be able to see a little blue wren. Just on the top up here somewhere. There's a little blue wren sitting up there. Sculptured one. Oh. Got a slimy little snake there. Watch out for those. My gosh, this place is amazing. Lots of little parrots. Oh my gosh. Oh my, look in the back there. Look at that one there. Huge big bug. Oh, very interesting. Oops. Ah, quite humorous. Oh, looks like we're being watched. Looks like I've got a chainsaw stuck in a tree here. We'll go and pay a visit to these people in the vehicle. Not yet. Oh, Ma and Pa. They look pretty old, don't they? Oh, just what the car is. Look a little scary, to be honest. Some very unique pieces up here. Let's work out what this one is. Looks like someone hiding. Somebody hiding behind something. Now for all you cowboys and outlaws. So creative, all these sculptures, so unique and very arty. It's quite very detailed, very skilled if you can do this with a chainsaw. Different size chainsaws. Oh, there's lots of little owls here. How fascinating is that? And a family of tortoises. They look really old, don't they? Wow, that's amazing. There is literally so much to see here. Just hopefully my phone doesn't go flat trying to record it all. The old woodchopper and his loyal companion. Just having a little bit of a afternoon nap. There's just sculptures the whole way along this little drive. It's well worth a visit if you're coming down to Albany. It's just a $5 donation. Children are free and definitely well worth a visit. There's some giraffes in the background there. What have we got over here? 3 little pigs. Oh, we've got some emus, some little baby ones. This must be the aquatic section. It's a nice wooden timepiece, that one there. Oh, for all you music lovers up here. we don't have a $5 note, but for a donation, so I'll just put 20 in. I think it's well worth it. Oops, it's like a little... This must be the African theme here. And just in the back here you can probably see another emu. There's a little penguin there, the little egg. A little bit better view of the toadstools. And also we have a lovely wishing well here. And the old infamous Ned Kelly. Ooh, it does look a little grim, doesn't it? Reminds me of the statues they had in Dublin when they had the famine on, how poorly everybody was. Ooh. Oh gosh. What an absolutely enjoyable little experience, just coming here to have a look at this. The quality of the work and the creativity is just amazing. So if you are coming to Albany, check out the wood carving sculptures. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour. I certainly did. It's been a long time since I've been here, and there's lots more carvings and statues here from last time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you enjoy my new style of videos, and we'll hope to see you in the next video, and take care and bye for now.